What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, per you guys' request, we are unboxing our March Allure Beauty Box. I just got this in the mail Monday, so if you guys want to see what's in March's box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Allure Beauty Box. Okay, guys, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and guys, today I am just so excited to be doing this unboxing. I did a poll on my community tab on YouTube, and you guys wanted to see March's Allure Beauty Box. And y'all know I'm always happy to oblige. You know what I'm saying? Before we get started, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. Y'all know I appreciate you guys. I'm going to put your name right there. Thank you guys so much. Also, guys, today for our drink, we're doing Margarita Wednesday. I'm filming a lot of videos now, so you may see the same makeup and clothes because I'm going on vacation next week, and I want to make sure that we have content. We have Bijou that came in. We have Glow Addict. We should be getting BoxyCharm today, actually. And what else? The Luxe box. I don't know when my premium box is coming. And I'm going to do a try on video with the premium box. I'm going to try to do a face full of Fenty, but it's a couple of products that I don't have. So we just going to make it work with what we got, right? Absolutely. So guys, we're going to get the specs on Allure, and then we're going to unbox it. And that's going to be a wrap on that, boo. First, y'all need a dance break and a drink break. Oh, I thought something was in my drink. For you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get, I think, around 5 to 6 sample size or deluxe size products. Sometimes they throw in a full size product as well, which I do love. The value is supposed to be around $50 to $90. And yeah, boo, if you want to sign up for Allure, I think I have the link. I'll put it down below. If not, I'll try to find it and put it down below to make it a little easier for you guys. So without further ado, boo, let's get this box on and popping, boo. So Allure comes in this cute little white box right here, which I love to keep because they're so sturdy. We have our little brochure right here that shows all of our goodies. Comes packaged like this. We're gonna pull it back. Okay. So up first, I am pulling out from Floss, and this is a my new favorite lip gloss in the shade Lax, L-A-X. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And when we take it out, oh, this is pretty. This is what it looks like, a nice, beautiful, like mauve-y type color. It's a lip gloss though. Ooh, smells like cotton candy. Oh, it's like a pinky color. Feels kind of sticky. That's what the shade looks like right there on my hand, guys. And let me put a little bit on my lips. Okay. It's got a little bit of a tint to it. I like the way it complements the lipstick I already have on. It's not sticky or greasy. It just makes it look, you know, luscious. So let's see what this retails for. This have to be the full size. And this, guys, is the Floss, my new favorite gloss in the Lax. And it retails for $16, guys. And this is the full size. Up next, I'm pulling out from Mamond. This is a Red Energy Recovering Serum and Blossoming Energy. And this is what it looks like. This is definitely a little sample size. And when you open it, it comes with a little pump here. And this is, let's see what kind of recovery serum this is. So you put this on after you do your toner. It takes a couple of weeks for the smoothing and brightening benefits to kick in, but the serum's hydrating powers can be felt instantly. Okay, so it's like a hydrating recovery serum. And this is, like I told you guys, a little sample size. I am going to squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand, see what it feels like. Okay, it is like a serum. Just goes on kind of watery, guys. Feels hydrating though. Can't really see anything. And this retails for $40 for the full size of this product. 40 bucks. Okay. I heard of this brand before. I've gotten it in past Allure boxes, but I don't remember how it worked. And you get 0.16 fluid ounces of product in here. Up next, guys, we have from Rodial. And this is a Glamo Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my dolls. And I'm not going to open this because I have a lot of mascaras, but this has to be the full size as well. I think, well, I'm sure it's the full size, right? And this has a little plastic covering on it, guys. But this retails for $28. Okay. Up next, we have from Urban Decay this 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0, I guess. I don't know. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And I have used this pencil before. And it is a nice, creamy, buttery black. It's not super, super black, as you guys can see. I will try to build it up a little bit, but it does glide on really smooth and it is really nice. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is, I think, oh, I can't remember. I don't know if this is full size or not. It does say on here that it retails for $22. Now, you guys let me know because I have other pencils. Let me grab one. I have sharpened this some, I think, but I got this in like a pack of 3 or 4. So I don't know if this by itself is $22, but you guys let me know, okay? Up next, guys, we have from Dr. Botanicals. This is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And in here you get 1.69 fluid ounces of product. And let's see what it says on here. So I think this is the full size as well. So this says, please use within 6 months after opening. For best results, please store in the fridge. So make sure you guys do that. It's a multi-use balm used as a moisturizer. Rub small amounts of the balm between your fingers, then apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Use as a treatment, applied to any dry or cracked areas as required, such as lips, elbows, and heels. Use as a cleanser, massage a generous amount throughout your face and gently wipe away with cotton pad or a cloth and you rinse after. So, okay, it's a multi-use balm. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it's a nice sized product, guys. I think this is definitely the full size. It does have a safety seal on it. I will not open this because I just actually started using this body butter that I got from Korres in my BoxyCharm. So I'm not going to open this yet, but I am excited to receive this and try it out. I do like Dr. Botanicals products, so I'm excited about this. So this, guys, retails for $14.90 for this. And last up, we have a face mask, and this is the Hyaluronic Moisturizing Mask from Lapkos. So this is what it looks like right here, guys. And you get one mask in here, and it says, cleanse and tone your face. Unfold the single-use mask. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. So I do like to do masks sometimes when I'm doing like relaxing day with my sister or my mother, just, hanging out. I like to use masks. So I am excited about receiving this. And this retails for $3, guys. So that was our final product in our Allure Beauty Box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and then we're going to be done. But we're going to do a dance break and a drink break. So we received this rescue butter from Dr. Botanicals, from Floss, this lip gloss here, from Rodial, this mascara right here, from Urban Decay, this 24/7 Glide pencil, from Mamond, this recovery serum, and from Lapkos. Y'all, if I'm pronouncing these words wrong, I'm sorry, but y'all see what it is, right? this beauty face mask. So that's 6 products for this month. Final thoughts. So as far as Allure this month, I thought the box was just okay. I am excited, however, to receive 5. I guess I'm excited to receive and try all of the products. I think that we actually got 6 full-size products. Again, y'all let me know down in the comments below if they're, I don't know about this and I don't know about this. So let me know if these are considered full-size. I think this one is though. But to get 5 full-size products and 1 little sample, I think it's an okay box for this month. Am I like totally thrilled with the products? No. But am I like super disappointed? No, it's just an okay box this month for me. Y'all already know my relationship with Allure is like a love-hate relationship. And I mean, we got 3 makeup products. So I am excited that it's an even amount of makeup and skincare. So I do like that. So I think it was okay for the most part. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of Allure this month. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn what? To 5 being this box is a bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? I'm going to give Allure, based on the fact that I think we got a lot of full-size products this month, and I'm excited to try out 5 of the 6. We're going to give Allure a whopping 3 to 3.25 for this month. I didn't think it was a total dud, but I don't think it was like the bomb.com. I think it was just in the middle of, you know, it was okay for this month. So guys, that is all that I have. I hope you will consider subscribing to your girl, becoming a part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will be posting on my community tab as well as Instagram, just to kind of see what videos y'all want to see up next in the upcoming days. I'm going to be trying to really quickly film a lot of videos because I have to go on vacation. So I want to make sure you guys have content and y'all don't miss me too much. I will be doing some lives while I'm on vacation. Yeah, guys. So that's all that I have for this video. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Don't forget to have a little drink with your girl. Peace. Bye, guys.